This is the elevator, and I think this is 200 Bessemer Road in East Huntingdon Township, Pennsylvania, or Mount Pleasant. And look at this. It's a Montgomery Vector. This office building literally in the middle of nowhere. And there's a Vector. Out of all places. It's in pristine condition too and has a working bell. Here are 3. Lantern was removed or never installed. There's an exterior lantern. Back down to one that barely even presses. There's a mask and disposable gloves but no phone. It's a basic cab. This is definitely redone. LED spotlighting, but the buttons and everything else still original, which that's all I care about. Certificate, you can't see the year, but it was installed in 1990. Here back at 1. I suppose that's going to be it.